Hey guys, this isn't just another AI chat app. This app can actually control your Android phone like a real person. Now watch this. I'm not going to touch my phone even once. Instead, I'm just going to send it a simple command from Telegram. Open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and install it. And that's it. Just sit back and watch the screen. I'm not touching the phone at all. It's opening the Play Store all by itself. Now it's searching for WhatsApp. And just a few seconds later, WhatsApp is installed. And yes, this is happening live. There's no screen recording trick, no remote control, and no one controlling the phone behind the scenes. Everything you're seeing is being done entirely by the AI agent we built. This project is called PrivateAgent. It's a completely free and open source AI agent that can control almost any Android app, just like a real person. And no, you don't need to root your phone. This app works without root. You can control it directly from the app, or even control your phone remotely using Telegram from anywhere. All you need is an AI API key. Use free models from OpenRouter, NVIDIA, or others. I'll also share a free Kimi API key that's valid for 1 week. So make sure you watch till the end. Orel Noor and I built this app together and made it fully open source. It took countless hours of hard work to build, so if you appreciate projects like this, a quick subscribe would really mean a lot. Alright, let's install the app. First, open the GitHub repository. The link is in the description below. If you want more technical details, just read the README file. Now scroll down to the Releases section and download the latest APK. If you have a modern Android phone, just download the ARM 64.8a or Universal version. Once it's downloaded, install it like any other Android app. Let me quickly install it. So PrivateAgent is now installed. Let's open it. The first time you open the app, it'll walk you through a quick setup. The first thing we need to do is grant the required permissions. These first 3 permissions are mandatory for the app to work properly. The most important is accessibility service. It lets PrivateAgent see your screen and control apps like a person. And if you're wondering about privacy, this app doesn't collect your data, it's fully open source, and you can even build the APK yourself. Next, we need to configure the AI provider. I'll use Kimi since I already have a Kimi subscription. If you don't have one, check the description for a free Kimi API key. I'll also show you later in the video how to get a free NVIDIA API key. Now, just select Other, paste your API key along with the endpoint. Next, tap the refresh button to fetch the latest available models from the provider. Select your model, then click on Finish Setup. And that's it. We're done with the setup. So yeah, the app works in 2 modes. You can use it like a normal AI chat app to ask questions or generate text. Or you can switch to agent mode, where the AI actually controls your phone and completes tasks for you. Let's start with something simple. I'll ask it to set my phone's volume to 80%. And there we go. The task is complete and the volume is now set to 80%. Now let me ask it to change the volume to 10%. And just a few seconds later, it's done again. So yeah, you can ask it to perform almost any action on your phone. Now let's create a Telegram bot so we can connect it to the app. So first open the Telegram and search for BotFather and open it. Next, select Create a new bot. Now give your bot a name, then enter a username. Just make sure the username ends with bot. Once it's created, BotFather will give you a bot token. Just copy it. Now go back to PrivateAgent and open Settings. Now just scroll down to Telegram bot. Paste your bot token here, then turn the toggle on. And that's it. Your phone is now ready to be controlled remotely through Telegram. Let's test it. First, I'll send start message to make sure everything is connected. And there we go. The bot is responding perfectly. Now let's give it a real task. I'll ask it to open the camera app and take a selfie. And yes, as you can see, the Telegram bot and the AI agent are working together perfectly, letting you see and control your phone remotely from anywhere. Now, let me show you how to get a free NVIDIA API key. Open the NVIDIA developer website using the link in the description. Then create an account or sign in if you already have one. You can even sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, go to the API keys section and create a new API key. I'll quickly create mine. Now copy the API key and open the settings page in PrivateAgent. Select NVIDIA as your AI provider, paste the API key, and tap Fetch Models. Once the models are loaded, just pick the one you want. I'll go with Nematron and give it a quick test. And there we go. It's working perfectly. So if you don't have another AI provider, you can use NVIDIA's free API and start using PrivateAgent at no cost. So that's PrivateAgent, a completely free and open source AI agent that can actually control your Android phone using natural language. If you found this project useful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.